proven tips men should follow when trying to conceive. Whether you just have decided that you and your partner are ready to conceive, or you have been at it trying for a while now, you are probably wondering about your fertility and if there is anything you can do to improve it. And if you and your partner are experiencing fertility issues, remind yourself that you are not alone. Infertility is more common than you think. It affects about 1 in every 6 couples, and 1 in every 3 cases is due to fertility problems in the male partner alone. Here's some good news. Fertility issues involving the female reproductive system are often harder to identify and treat. But male infertility issues are receptive to changing health habits and lifestyles. For example, if you quit smoking, you will see your sperm count improve in 3 months. Besides, your sperm not only affects your chances to conceive, but also determines if your partner's pregnancy will be healthy. And while infertility is not always treatable, there are several things you can do to improve your chances of conceiving. Fertility can be improved with a healthy diet and lifestyle strategies. In today's video, we have suggested many ways to boost male fertility. Keep watching! What is male infertility? Before we explore tips on how to conceive, let's see how male infertility works. Fertility refers to people's ability to reproduce naturally without medical assistance. Male infertility occurs when a man has poor chances of making his female counterpart pregnant and conceive a baby. This usually depends on the quality of a man's sperm. In some cases, male infertility is related to sexual function and performance, and in other cases, it is linked to semen quality. Here are examples of each. Number 1. Erectile dysfunction, or ED. Commonly known as impotence, erectile dysfunction occurs when a man is unable to get an erection or maintain one even if he is turned on. Number 2. Sperm count. One of the most important aspects of semen quality is sperm count, or the number and concentration of sperm cells in a given amount of semen. Number 3. Libido. Libido is a person's sex drive or desire to have sex. There are certain foods and supplements that claim to increase a person's libido. Those are called aphrodisiacs. Number 4. Sperm motility. Another essential function of healthy sperm cells is their ability to swim. Sperm motility is generally measured as the percentage of moving sperm cells in a sample of semen. Number 5. Testosterone levels. Testosterone is the male sex hormone, and low levels of testosterone may be responsible for infertility in some men. Infertility can be caused by multiple reasons and may depend on genetics, general health, fitness, diet, underlying medical conditions, etc. Thus, a healthy lifestyle and a properly balanced diet are necessary for increasing sperm count and subsequently boosting fertility. Tips on how to conceive. Number 1. Exercise regularly. Exercise is not only good for your general health, but exercising regularly can significantly boost testosterone levels and improve male fertility. Research has proved that men who exercise regularly, at least for 30 minutes every day, have higher testosterone levels and better semen quality than inactive and lazy men. However, moderation is key, and you should avoid too much exercise, as it may have the opposite effect on your hormones and reduce testosterone levels. But getting adequate quantities of zinc may minimize the risk. If you rarely exercise and are trying to conceive with your partner, this might be a good time to start. This should be one of your top priorities. Number 2. Have sex more frequently. Well, this is a no-brainer. But sadly, this is where most couples fail. If you want to have a baby, you need to have sex, especially during the time of ovulation. But having frequent sex throughout the month can boost your fertility. Research has concluded that short periods of abstinence from sex have the potential benefit of boosting sperm health, regardless of whether you are trying to conceive naturally or providing a sperm sample for insemination. A 2017 review of research published in the International Journal of Women's Health and Reproduction Sciences discovered that sperm motility, morphology, and sperm production could potentially benefit from periods of sexual abstinence between about 3 and 8 days. Number 3. Watch your soy intake. While soy is generally good for your health, research has suggested that eating a lot of soy could have negative effects on your fertility. The phytoestrogens present in soy may interfere with both male and female fertility, but that doesn't mean you have to avoid eating soy. You could just limit your soy consumption. Soy is notably found in tofu, but it is also an ingredient in vegan meat alternatives and protein bars. Number 4. Minimize stress. While it is hard to get into the mood for sex when you are stressed, but there might be more to it than just not being in the mood. Stress may reduce your sexual functioning and impair male fertility. Prolonged stress or excessive stress raises the level of cortisol hormone, which can have strong negative effects on your testosterone. When cortisol levels go up, testosterone levels fall. Therefore, if you are trying to conceive, stress management is crucial. Try to incorporate relaxation activities like yoga, meditation, cycling, etc. in your daily routine. Number 5. Quit smoking. This is one of the most important things when you are trying to conceive. While there are many good reasons to stop smoking, increasing your fertility is the priority here. It has been found that smoking affects many aspects of sperm health, including decreased sperm motility, sperm count, and sperm shape. All of these could negatively impact your ability to conceive. If you are going through fertility treatments, you should take a break from smoking. Research has found that smoking can adversely affect the success of fertility treatments like IVF and ICSI. And in some cases, male smoking habits can also affect the women partner's ability to smoke due to the exposure to secondhand smoke. These are some of the most important tips on how to conceive. For similar videos on men's health issues, check out our YouTube channel. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos. And subscribe to our channel.